How can we take a boring old oven chip and turn it into something on a whole other level of flavour? And it's really simple to do too. This is a fantastic way to season your chips, and it really steps up your side dish game. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now we're going to be taking your basic side dish of chips, or fries if you're in the US, and turn them into something amazing. We're talking Chinese takeaway style salt and pepper chips. Now I know there's a bit of debate as to whether they're chips or fries, but I'm in the UK, so I'm going to call them chips for the rest of this video. So let's get cooking. Now you can make these salt and pepper chips using your favourite brand of oven chips, but I like to make my own homemade chips, which are really simple. I'll leave a link to that recipe at the end of this video. So you want to cook those chips in the oven as per the instructions, and when they're about 5 minutes away from the end of cooking, we're going to start making the salt and pepper topping. Heat a tablespoon of sunflower oil in a frying pan over a medium to high heat. Add a roughly chopped onion and 2 sliced red and 2 sliced green chillies to the pan. Now I like to use quite mild Fresno or serrano chillies in this recipe, but if you wanted to remove the heat altogether, you can replace those chillies with some finely chopped bell pepper. We're also going to add in half a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper and 1.5 teaspoons of Chinese 5-spice to the pan. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often until the onion starts to soften slightly. Then turn down the heat to medium and add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and 3 chopped spring onions or scallions. Fry for a further minute, stirring often. By now the chips should be ready, so add the chips to the frying pan with the onion and chillies and toss everything together for 1 minute. Then transfer to a serving dish and serve. These salt and pepper chips are not just a side for Chinese dishes, but they also go really well with a homemade burger, and I love to serve them up at a barbecue. If you want to see my recipe for homemade chips without the need to soak or parboil, then check it out here. And if you want to have a look at some more of our Chinese inspired recipes, I've got a playlist queued up for you here. See you next time.